Finding and using Expedia coupons can be a great way to save money on your travel bookings. To get started, first go to the Expedia website and look for the Coupons and Deals section. This section is usually located at the top or bottom of the homepage and may be labeled as Deals or Coupons. Next, browse through the available coupons and deals to find ones that match your travel plans. Expedia offers a wide range of coupons and deals, including discounts on flights, hotels, and package deals. You can filter the coupons by destination, travel dates, and type of booking to find the most relevant ones. Once you have found a coupon that you want to use, click on it to view the details. The coupon will have a code that you need to enter at checkout to receive the discount. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of the coupon to understand any restrictions or requirements. To use the coupon, start by searching for your travel bookings on the Expedia website. Enter your travel dates and destination, and select your preferred flight, hotel, or package deal. When you are ready to book, click on the booking button and proceed to the checkout page. At the checkout page, look for the coupon code field and enter the code from the coupon you selected. The discount will be applied to your booking, and you will see the new total price. Make sure to review the booking details and price before completing the payment. In addition to the coupons and deals section, Expedia also offers a rewards program that can help you save money on your travel bookings. The rewards program allows you to earn points for every booking you make, and you can redeem these points for discounts on future bookings. To maximize your savings, it is also a good idea to sign up for the Expedia newsletter and follow their social media accounts. Expedia often sends exclusive coupons and deals to their subscribers and followers, which can help you save even more money on your travel bookings. By following these steps and tips, you can find and use Expedia coupons to save money on your travel bookings. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of the coupon and review the booking details before completing the payment. With a little practice, you can become an expert at finding and using Expedia coupons and enjoy significant savings on your travel bookings.